Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3, and today I will show you how you can enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your screen, which will bring down your toggles and notifications, and somewhere here you want to swipe down again. This will extend the list of toggles so you can now scroll down. Now we're looking for the Do Not Disturb mode, which usually looks like a moon icon, and I probably already missed it. Oh, there we go, yep, it's right here. Once you see it, first time around, I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can just kind of customize what it will affect. Now here you can just kind of disable applications that will be affected by this. As this is a tablet with no LTE connectivity or anything like that, there isn't much in terms of notifications for this, but give me a sec because there we go, that's what we're supposed to see. So there isn't much in terms of things that you can customize, I would say. You have the option to select schedule though, and some other things, but just know that because this device, like I said, doesn't have any LTE connectivity, you're just limited to kind of notifications from applications when the device is connected to Wi-Fi. So in general, you can just kind of, for instance, if this is an option, disconnect from Wi-Fi, and this is also going to be basically a Do Not Disturb mode for you. So yeah, anyway, once you have customized this, assuming you want to customize anything in there, you can just tap on the toggle from there to turn it on. Once you're done, you will need to remember to turn it off. By default, it will run indefinitely till you turn it off. So just try to keep that in mind. But anyway, with that being said, hope you found this very helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.